Tiny House Prepper.
Live simple, live free.
Hey everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth with Tiny House Prepper.
And you know, one of the things that's beginning to happen as our channel is beginning to grow, and it's absolutely amazing to us, is that as we travel, which we're starting to do more of, as you know, people are starting to come up to us and recognizing us.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely, and you know, when they do that, they are floored that they actually ran into us, and I don't blame them. But we are just as floored that people are actually. We have enough fans that as we travel around, people are actually starting to see us.
Yeah, that there would be somebody there that actually would have watched our channel.
So, go ahead.
Well, what I was going to say is that the first time that actually happened blew my mind because it was in Denver at the airport.
That was just you, right? I wasn't there?
Yeah, no, it was just me, and someone came up and was excited, and we got to meet and everything. And then when we were in San Francisco, both of us together, we met a really lovely couple then.
Yeah. And it's actually happened to me twice in our local grocery store.
Yeah, it's
so
amazing.
People didn't know that we lived anywhere near the area, and they ran into me in our local grocery store.
Yeah, that's just...
Unbelievable.
We're just so amazed that people are enjoying just sharing our lives with us, and so it's always just really seriously cool to meet somebody that's actually been following, wow.
And then it just happened again.
Yeah. In Branson.
Yep.
Yeah, we were at the Haygoods concert, just getting everything ready to start, and there's still lights on in the auditorium area there. And a beautiful, lovely lady came up to me and she goes, "Oh, I watch you guys." She said she likes to, at night, she'll watch our videos and stuff like that, right when it's getting to be close to the end of the day for her. And we ended up having a really awesome visit. And I just feel very privileged that someone would want to just come up and talk like that. I really enjoyed her. And I did take a little clip, which I want to share with you now.
So here you go.
Met a friend here in the theater in Branson. Tell them your name.
Hi, my name is Donna Parker.
Hi.
Very nice to meet you.
Yeah. She came up and said thought we were kind of familiar.
Yes,
so
you were.
I thought I'd include her. It's really fun to meet people when we're out on the road.
Well, I love the relationship you and your husband have, and I admire that in y'all.
Oh, thank you, sweetie.
Very nice to meet you.
You too. Okay.
So isn't that cool? Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, I was just, and we really had a very nice visit. At that point and during the intermission and everything, it was really great. Her and her husband were really nice. And I'm going to scrub this tabletop before I eat on it again. Yep. He's happy up here with us.
And so, we have had quite a few requests and more all the time to have a meetup. Why don't you guys...
A meet and greet, yeah.
A meet and greet, yeah. Why don't you guys have a meet and greet, a meetup? Well, we never have. We went to one. We went to Brad and Krista's with Big Family Homestead, almost 2 years ago now. Imagine that. But we've never had one. So we are very seriously considering doing that this summer sometime. We don't have any of the... That's not a blooper. I'm going to leave it in.
You're just going to leave it in. I don't blame you. Untangle that tongue.
We don't have any of the details, except that it'll be here in the Northeast where we live.
We're really not there right now, but we will be.
Maybe sometime in August.
Yeah,
I guess.
We're going to try to scope things out, see what kind of arrangements we can make, and then give plenty of lead time, lots and lots of warning.
Right.
Well, warning, you know what I mean. Give people lots of time to know about it if you would like to come.
Right. So if that happens and you're in the area and you can come, we'd love to meet you. And if we're going through the Denver airport or the Phoenix airport and you happen to see us, by all means, come up and introduce yourselves. We love to meet subscribers. I don't even like calling them subscribers. We love to meet friends.
Friends, that's exactly right. That's exactly right. Yeah, it's really neat just to get to know all these wonderful people from all over the place. And there's people in other countries that have offered for us to come say hello. And who knows?
Right.
Maybe someday we can. Right. That would be so cool.
So if you see us in the London airport, come meet us. Probably not.
Yeah, we'll see.
Though we've been through the London airport a number of times.
I've been to Heathrow, yep. So, and as you can see, Leo settles in very happily here in the cottage.
Yeah, as long as we're not driving.
Yeah, he's quite happy. Yeah. And actually, I think even in the truck, he's settling in now. He'll just stay kind of settled down, or he'll peek up out of the window and then go lay back down.
He still doesn't enjoy it, but now I think he knows he's not going to die.
Yeah.
So he's starting to poke his head up in curiosity of what's going on out there
yeah.
as the
yeah.
world goes by.
But in the RV here in the cottage, he's just settled in, regular old self,
Yep.
king of the castle.
Yep, he owns it.
Yep.
So.
Alrighty. Yeah. Fancy video here, but we just wanted to share that we had met someone and that we are really working on possibility of a good meet and greet. We thought that'd be fun.
So thanks for watching, everybody. Come greet us if you see us.
Yeah. Live simple.
Live free.
Yes, we love you guys.
Be blessed.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And bye for Leo down there drinking.